on. Here we are arriving at the Astoria. This is the water park that's attached to Astoria. Palawan Water Park by Astoria. Don't think we'll have time to play in the water park this afternoon. We'll go down and have a swim at the beach and hang out. We've just arrived at the Astoria Hotel in, I thought it was in Puerto Princesa City. So it's about 60 kilometres before Puerto Princesa, and we officially fly out tomorrow morning at 7:40. So it's going to be a very early kick-off tomorrow morning. I've also booked to stay here for 2 nights, but we couldn't get here on time for the 2 nights. Here we are going to our room at 101 at the Nest at Astoria. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this. We've got a basin, big bath, combined bath and shower, toilet, fridge, mirror, microwave, tea making facilities, bit of washing up making facilities, got a TV, got
queen size bed, 2 queen size bed.
Two queen size bed.
One for Annie
One
and
for
one for Ando.
Annie, one for Ando. And we've got an interesting configuration here at the up the top here. I've never seen that before, but got big AC, and when you open this up, we're out onto the pool area, which is pretty handy. So we'll duck out there and have a swim later. And down, this place is on the coast, so we'll go down and have a swim in the ocean later also. Living the dream.
You see the walls? There's lots of birds and flowers.
Nice. Nice looking pool at the Astoria here. And nice building, nice area, sunbake, hang out. But right now we're taking on the beach, heading down to the beach.
Nice cabana lang. Her family lives here a long time ago.
Yeah. Here's
It's Christmas thing there.
Here's our little cabanas, teepees, or whatever they call them.
And your pathway lang.
The Filipinos like to start their Christmas early, and here they go.
Santa!
A couple of reindeers and Santa already, and that's what
Drummer boy!
that's the drummer boys and all the little soldiers are. Very good. Certainly continuing on with this Christmas theme. And he's going to sit on Santa's knee.
Hello!
Going to sit on Santa's knee and make a wish what she wants for Christmas.
Ando.
There's lots of Santas here, and there's a little scene over there behind
You say it's hello go.
with little baby Jesus being born.
Now here at the Reserve Restaurant, still in Astoria, Palawan. Here's the pool. Decks. Maraming mangga sa palibot. Ang pool.
Bakong tawil na kuwit na.
Tingnan natin ang loob ng restaurant. Yes?
That's where we're going to be sitting for dinner. Here.
Okay, here's Ando having his drinks.
101.
Can I have?
I thought it was good near the fan.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's still got the view outside. This is yours.
Oh, thank you. And this will be the restaurant, the view inside the restaurant, and reserved for us. Here we are at the canopy main reception, and they have some chair right there. I love the shelves at the side. You can like Astoria, Palawan. Love the shells display. There's another, so shop. Hello, good afternoon. Yun, maraming choices. Banana chips. And here we are at the Nest Mangrove here in Astoria, Palawan. Here's the view of the nest. Love the birds. It's so nature. Love the design. Yan. Ang daming mango trees sa palibot.
Off to dinner at the Astoria, and there's lights everywhere. Feels like it's Christmas already. They've got that many lights up, and the Filipinos do like an extended Christmas. They normally have it for months and months and months. They also have for Easter, they call it Holy Week, and they have the full week. Okay, still on our way to dinner. Still more lights. This is where we're headed to dinner, just in there at the Astoria Puerto Princesa. Got the pool.
I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, the darkest night.
And
We're close like no one.
later on they have the flame throwing down here. Got ourselves a lovely table here, overlooking the pool, listening to the band. Sensational. pasta. That looks yum. I had one of these before. Very nice. It's basically that with meat and the following in there. Then the Mexican charcuterie, which is basically pork, which has got a little bit of spice on it. Had some of that before. Very yum. Hey. Then we got the desserts over here. They look very sweet. This one's the apple crumble. And lots of other little goodies in here. Got some coffee frangelico, some Natalis de chocolate, some fruits, and then lots of sweet little things in here. Finally, we've got some more fruits and nuts and things to finish it off.
There, I love the
The other thing that happens anytime you go to the Philippines, there's at least one happy birthday. Every restaurant, they love a birthday, they love Christmas.
Make a wish and blow the candle, ma'am.
They love Christmas, they love Easter, and they love a birthday.
Once again, and happy birthday po sa inyo. Thank you so much for celebrating here in Palawan. May you have many more birthdays to come.